Alright everybody, welcome back to our page. Today we're going to put a truck bed ladder on my tailgate for easy access in and out. I'm getting older, everything helps. Patty's a little smaller, she needs some help. But it's made by Westin, so follow me and we'll start on it.
Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel. This is Patty from GillsOnWheels. I just wanted to pop on here real quick and say this is Shane's very first time doing a long form or any type of video for that matter, all by himself with talking and everything. So you better be nice to him. Normally this is how I get up in the back of the truck, which is probably not the safest, but it's the only way that I can get in. So we have these little things from whenever we had the truck camper, and I do that and grab here and then climb in like that, and then whenever I am done I usually just jump down, but we're gonna make that better.
Alright, so this ladder is made by Westin. It's to help get in and out of the truck bed easier, and we're going to show you what it's supposed to look like here. So it's going to go get attached to right here, and then when you're done with it, when that's going to be secure with screws, and then that's how it'll sit when the tailgate's closed. Okay, so my first step on this is not in the directions, but my first step, because I've got a video camera right here, or my backup reverse camera, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this panel off. That's right here, and I'm going to look in there and make sure I'm not drilling through some wires. You don't want to drill through wires, obviously. So first thing we're going to do is take this off, just take a peek behind there which way the wires run. They may just go right down in here and over there, but we're going to do that first. I have to grab a screwdriver for this one. It's a little stuck on there. I've not too long ago had this tailgate replaced and it hasn't been opened since. There we go. And this little flap, it just comes right off. Easy stuff. And there's my camera right there, and the wires they run this way through here and down to the tailgate. So there's nothing right here. So I'll be able to put the screws in here and it won't affect nothing.
All right, so we have a bed cover on the top of ours, so we have to make sure that where it's located on the tailgate that we can still close the tonneau cover and that it doesn't hit the side. So that's what we're doing right now, just trying to figure out the exact placement where it fits.
All right, after some little eye measurements and figure out where things are going to close, I figure the best thing that I can do is go ahead and put this down, because you want to make sure that you have it out this way enough to where this doesn't hit on there. You don't want to put it all the way up in here and then it does like that. So best thing is put it to where it needs to be. And then right there is where we're going to bolt it down with these 4 bolts. Just drill it right into the tailgate where there are no wires. And that'll be it. Alright, so these are self-tapping screws that are going to go into the right here, wherever you want them, on all 4. It doesn't come with washers or anything, so I just got washers because that's a pretty good size the hole there, just put a washer, and we're going to put it in there just like that and screw it down. And it does come with this little handy dandy little, I don't know, Allen head tool for the bolt head and screw heads. So here we go. Oh wait. All right, so I've got it set up here and everything where I want it. So the first thing we're going to do, I'm sure these are probably hardened, but I'm not too sure. So I'm going to drill a pilot hole first, just so I don't want them breaking off halfway in there if they get too tight. But make sure your drill bit is not the same size as because it won't hold. So we're just going to drill. Doesn't matter where you put it. You can put them down here, over there in the middle. I'm just going to stick mine in the middle roughly of each one. And just to get it to stay there, I am going to go ahead and start one of these. Okay. All right. And then we'll install the rest of them. All right, pilot holes are drilled. We're going to install the other three self-tapping screws. You just don't want to strip the heads off of them either, so just kind of be careful. You can tell when they're tight. So that's it, it's installed. So now we're going to fold it up and show you how it latches, and then close the tailgate, pull the tonneau cover up, and maybe put it back down to make sure we got a place we can get up. Yeah, that's pretty easy. Okay, so it works. Everything's good. Now I'm going to show you how to store it. So first, just like that. And then this side pushes in, puts it down, and then right here there's a lock. And that keeps it from coming when you close your tailgate. It's all put up and secured. It won't come open. So now we're going to see if it works.
All right,
there you
good
go.
job.
Then you put it down. So now I'm going to just close my tonneau cover top and make sure we've got clearance. Now this should just close right up in there.
Perfect. Good job, babe.
Yep. There's that. Undo it. Slide it out to the ground, and you can step up.
Awesome.
So this is a pretty good setup. I really like it. It's going to make things a lot easier. So when you get ready for yours, stop by eTrailer.com and pick yours up today.
Okay, I'm gonna give it a go. Let's see. Open it up, unlock it, then pull it out. Like that. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's easy. That's so much easier to get up and down. Now my feet are a little bit smaller. Yeah, I could use, oh, look at that. Ha, ta-da.
All right, thanks for watching. Come back again. Don't forget to click those buttons, like, comment, or subscribe, and we'll see you out there.